a long one and a tunnel. Toulouse tour. Doesn't sound very Spanish. Little pit stop in France now. Pitched up at l'Auberge du Cheval Blanc. No idea where we are. And I hope the boulangerie isn't opening anytime soon. And we're having gazpacho and chips for lunch. You reckon, Brian? Anything to say?
Yeah, I'm trying to find the nearest petrol station. Looks like it's half a mile away.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, right.
Just didn't see it.
Yeah, look
No
there.
changes there.
Well, we saw the sign, but then we didn't see another one, didn't we? Fuck it out, yeah, he's bombing down, isn't he? Welcome to the Airbnb. It's got hostel vibes about it. Totally forgotten the name of the place we're in. This is the Gita Famigad. All the toys. Pool table, the queues are crap and there's no drawer. Quite a few beds in here. Kids play area. Definitely got some hostel vibes about the place. Plenty of beds. This is the kitchen. Here you go, Julie, you can show us around the kitchen.
There's the kitchen, cupboard, coffee maker, yay!
Like the coffee was way too weak for my liking, Julie, sorry.
And my liking, but I've made for the masses. Yeah, kitchen. SS Swoop.
Yeah, wait till you see this. Yeah, bit strange, eh? More bedrooms.
But they're collecting what needs washing. We've got a load at the moment, which is Brian's, mine, and Jess's in there. Yeah. And then I think there's
We're in the middle of nowhere. Where's the bedrooms? Jacuzzi. There's Sharon.
Oh! Google Translate. These are done, but they're quite heavy, so I think it.
I'll put one there.
I think they need rinse, like a fast rinse. So what do you think?
Got no idea. I don't do the washing at home. I do the dishwasher. That's
right.
That's the delegation. Claudine does the washing. I do the dishwasher. Yeah.
Daily cycle. Rinsing.
And here's Bev enjoying the lovely view.
Hello.
Lovely, isn't it?
Lovely out here. It's looking peaceful.
Yeah. Apart from the neo-Nazi poster, it's not a bad little place.
So I never really watched the go. I obviously knew of it, you know, but that's why I didn't appreciate that. I didn't understand the motorcycling thing.
Not going to get Stuart on camera because he moans about it.
But you see 46 everywhere, don't you? It's on the back of cars and everything. Yeah, it's everywhere. So it was obviously, he was obviously
very popular.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
It's his character as well as his skills and riding.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Even looks like a sex swing up there.
Well, he had some battles with Lorenzo.
Yeah, well, I remember those. That's when I came into it. Yeah, it was Lorenzo for those.
He was very good, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, you've got a prehistoric monument there. Garages, barn, cow.
We're getting everybody over.
So if it's 1:45 and we still haven't made any progress, then we'll switch back.
How's the patient?
Yeah, operation successful, patient dead. Yeah, and half the tools have been left inside the patient and stitched back up again.
Yannick is trying to fix his bike yet again.
I love it. This is the best holiday I could have imagined.
He's not even fucking joking, isn't he?
I'm not joking.
This is fun. And coming into the barn was a good idea.
Yeah.
It's definitely a character building, isn't it?
So we're giving him a limit of 15 minutes to do this job, and if he can't do it, then we're going to switch to the other fan, the one we bought. Will it just spring apart?
I mean, I'm slowly getting apart. I'm just separating the top from this.
Scrap heat challenge.
Yeah,
That's brilliant.
I've seen it, yeah, this is like the vegan equivalent of a scrap heap challenge, isn't it?
From Red Dwarf, isn't it?
I think it's got like.
Yannick bought this fan from a motorcycle scrapyard.
And it is one of China's finest.
On the road yesterday. We should have sent him into the lawnmower scrapyard as well. No, that was a airplane graveyard as well. Did you see?
Was it a graveyard?
Yeah, some of them were, but they didn't look fit to fly. Put it that way.
I think we cut it. I think if we cut it though, we can't put it back together, can we? Because we need to keep the lip of it.
Come on, Brian. Show us how you play with your balls. We need to play a game later. We do, don't we?
We do.
Yeah. We must play a game of pétanque later. We're in France.
Yes.
You got some big balls there, and they're shiny as well, Brian.
If I practice hard enough, I can do it one day.
Don't crack your skull, please.
Probably need to get rid of my glass.
So,
Yeah.
how are we getting on here? Trying to separate this. I've got a time limit.
Brian's playing with his balls.
So that I don't...
Unsuccessfully currently.
Okay, so the next question.
Oh!
The next question is, when we've done Yannick's bike, are we up for looking at Heidi's bike to see if we can stop this squeak?
Ooh.
Oh!
Holy shit, I didn't realise they were doing it with metal balls.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said. Don't crack your skull, please. We don't want another fucking disaster on our hands.
Now,
Oh.
Well, you get the idea.
You're pretty good at juggling balls, Brian. Running repairs on the road with Nick.
Fettling, not repairing.
How was the patient?
So we got it working.
Yeah,
Not the way BMW intended it,
but it's working.
but it's working.
But it's working.
So now we've got this plug,
Uh-huh.
and when I start driving, I'm just going to
Yeah.
connect them, and then the fan will go on. And when I'm done driving, I'll
As
just...
long as it fucking works, that's what matters, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the tray that I'm making dinner in tonight.
Yeah.
Literally.
Is it actually? Yeah.
Yeah. We'll all be picking bits of metal and coolant out of our teeth. Let's hope the owner of the B&B doesn't see this.
Yep.
Well, it's not like you're going to post it on YouTube or anything, is it?
No, no.
And that was, I think that was maybe causing issues. I don't know. Some BMW part that was...
Yeah.
As soon as that was in the way, everything was... We had actually created a flame here at one point on the battery.
Fucking hell.
Yeah.
That's what you get for buying BMW.
BMW.
How are your running repairs, Brian?
Yeah, I've got some coolant in it. Just need to put the cover back on, then I want to change tension. Seems a little bit snappy. Have you got?
There's definitely some strange vibes around here, isn't there? I mean,
Yeah, we've got.
yeah, these definitely look like some kind of fucking torture devices, don't
Yeah,
they?
definitely.
Yeah, fucking tie you to the. Yeah.
Do stuff at you with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's definitely a few hostile vibes here. I'd like to go for a walk in the woods, but I might never return.
I'll come with you, Bruce. We'll go together, and then we can just. If we don't come back, when I caught sight of everybody this morning.
So that tree looks like it's been half cut. That looks like what's the word? Hanging rack, yeah, something like that. It's bizarre.
Tracks. Oh no, I don't think so.
Well, just some of a kind of torture device. No, nothing to worry about. Nothing to see here.
There's a lot stuck in the bottom of it.
Cooking time.
How long has it taken Yannick to take 2 screws out of it? Do they not come out yet?
There you go.
Oh, he's
There
done
you
it.
go.
Amazing.
I stored the screws in the pot itself, so
Oh, that's
we
a
don't forget
brilliant
them.
idea. So we don't lose these.
So what we're making this?
This is a 3-bean chili tray bake.
It's going to be lovely.
Smells so good.
We've heard a lot about your cooking, so let's see. If you,
I'm excited.
Yeah. Let's see if you can.
What have you heard about my cooking?
That is supposed to be quite good, so we shall see. Restaurant quality. No pressure.
What is this on my bike?
Dinner's ready. Dinner's ready.
Are we just helping ourselves to these, or are these anybody?
The blue one is mine because of the blue bowl, but the others are to take.
That one's without the onions, so that's mine.
Sharon? Sorry, just because you're...
Yeah, I'll do.
These are up for grabs at the moment.
And we have Ludovic joining us from France.
Joining us.
And the French vegan biker.
The one that named it. Almost.
Are there any other vegan bikers in France? Do you know of?
I don't know.
No. No. See in the UK. Yeah, I mean in the UK we've got a good community now, haven't we? So,
I saw that.
But that's a portion for everyone.
Yeah.
And let's say cheers to the chef.
Yeah, cheers. Thank
yeah,
you.
that's amazing.
To the chef, everyone. And the sous chef. Yeah, thank you.
Well done, Jess. We're proud of you.
Well done.
Cool.
We eat it without anything.
Yeah, you take the floor.
I post my bacon tart and then I feel bad that no, we looked at the French one. Oh, the French one.
Salut.
See, to me, this is quite salty.
Santé.
There is quite a lot.